I'm talking about, we have organs, and it's not just the heart, the lungs, the liver, the pancreas, and all the things, right? There are so many people out there that are confused about what to eat, and that's the thing, it's shocking. It's shocking that it's become that way, really. For me, it's very simple. It's like, let's just gather up ourselves for a minute and go internal. And what I mean by that, I don't mean like find yourself or sit on a mountain and fucking meditate. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about, we have organs, and it's not just the heart, the lungs, the liver, the pancreas, and all the things, right? We have a lot of them. There's like 78 of them. There's 78 organs. And if we can just understand that, we don't need to research it, we don't need to know what they do. No. If we can just understand we are beyond what's on the outside.